Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Julio Ferrer and welcome to another episode of Mental Crutches. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very special group of people. I think you've already had them in your life, and if you haven't, I'm surprised. They are the what happened was people. If you don't know what that means is, boss, what happened was I was late to work because of traffic. Honey, what happened was, and so forth. These people are just people made of excuses. They're made of they don't justify their own actions. So they find it necessary to blame everybody else or blame other external circumstances, when the reality is that every one of us are responsible for our own actions. So one of the things that I really want you to understand is, if you want to change your life, one of the first and the most important thing you need to do is change your vocabulary. From this point on, every time you're going to say what happened was, just know that you're full of excuses. You have to just take responsibility and say, boss, there is no reason why I was late other than my irresponsibility. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. Or honey, I didn't pick up the kids because I forgot. There's no other reason. Excuse me, please forgive me, it won't happen again. When we start taking responsibility for our actions, our life is going to change, our relationships are going to change, and I guarantee you, you're going to start to drop your mental crutches. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you on the next one.